Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix Asus Vivobook network adapter not found. Check for Wi-Fi activation. Confirm that the Wi-Fi is enabled. Access the device manager. Right click on the start menu and select the device manager. Expand the network adapter section and look for any device with a yellow exclamation mark indicating a problem. Update the network adapter drivers. Right click on your network adapter and select the update driver. Choose either to search automatically for updated driver software or you can browse your computer for drivers if you have downloaded them from ASUS support site. Reset the network settings. Go to the settings, then network and internet, then status. Scroll down and click on the network reset. This will remove and reinstall all your network adapter and set other networking components back to their original settings. Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.